This is Asteroid here. Today we're going to be having a Nerf battle. Fireball versus Mercury and Pluto. The rules are, so Mercury and Pluto, your guys' base is here. And Fireball, your base will be up there. Alright, so if you get hit even once, you're dead for the game. And if Fireball, if you kill Mercury and Pluto, then you win. But if Pluto and Mercury kill you, you lose. And they win. Okay? And no rage monstering. Alright. 30 seconds to get ready. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I see Fireball. Fireball has died. Pluto and Mercury win.